And following me is a NOKIA 3.1, and today I'll show you how to change the language on this device. So jumping straight to it, I'm gonna access the settings, so pull down the notification bar, and you'll see this little gear icon here. So tap on it to access settings in a relatively quick way. Then go all the way down into system. And from here you'll see at the top, languages and input. So tap on it, and the first one is languages. And here you can choose the language you want. You can add one. So tap on add and select your second language. Just gonna tap on the suggested. And as you can see now, you have two languages, and what you need to do now to actually select it to be in effect, grab it, drag it up above the other one. And as you can see, the language has changed. And same goes if you want to change it back. Just drag it back up and language changed. It automatically can see here whenever it changes, and that's all you need to do. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.